Farmers often breed piglets by selecting healthy piglets with beautiful appearance and good reproductive ability. First, they choose sows, mother pigs, with clear origin, no disease, full nutritional care and full vaccination to ensure health. Male pigs are also carefully selected, usually large and healthy, good breeds for natural breeding or artificial insemination. When the sows are in heat, farmers will mate them. After about 114 days of pregnancy, the sows will give birth to a litter of piglets. After birth, the piglets are carefully cared for, fully breastfed, kept warm and vaccinated to ensure healthy development, from which they continue to breed and raise the following litters. After the piglets are born, farmers will cut the umbilical cord, disinfect and mark them for easy monitoring. In the first days, the piglets are kept in a windproof pen, with a dry floor and stable temperature to avoid getting cold. In addition to breastfeeding, farmers also supplement iron and vitamins to prevent anemia and help piglets stay healthy. When piglets are about 21 to 28 days old, people start feeding them solid foods such as bran and green vegetables to prepare for weaning. After weaning, healthy, well-developed piglets will continue to be selected, cared for and raised into breeding pigs to serve the next litters, helping to maintain and develop a stable pig herd, bringing high economic efficiency. When piglets are used to outside food and are completely weaned, farmers continue to classify pigs by gender, weight and health to have a suitable care regimen. Piglets with beautiful appearance, agility, and no deformities are often kept for breeding. During this period, vaccination against diseases such as anthrax, cholera, and foot and mouth disease is also very important to ensure the safe development of the pig herd. In addition, the barns are always clean, airy in the summer and warm in the winter. When the piglets reach the appropriate weight and age, farmers will continue the breeding process as before. Ensuring the maintenance of good breed quality through each generation, contributing to improving productivity and income from livestock farming. In addition to care and selection, farmers also focus on improving the breed by crossbreeding different pig lines to create piglets with better resistance, fast growth and high meat quality. They often carefully record information about each litter of pigs such as origin, date of birth, number of piglets, health status, to easily monitor and manage the breeding herd in the long term. In addition, to ensure breeding efficiency, farmers often participate in training courses on modern breeding techniques, access new methods such as genetic selection, application of artificial insemination technology and biosafety breeding techniques. Thanks to that, the piglet breeding process has achieved increasingly high results, helping to develop the sustainable livestock industry and bring a stable source of income to farmers, not only stopping at improving the quality of the breed and applying modern techniques. Farmers also pay attention to the long-term nutrition for both sows and piglets. They use foods rich in protein, minerals and vitamins suitable for each stage of pig development, helping the piglets to always be healthy, easy to reproduce and raise good children. In addition, a clean and sufficient source of drinking water is also ensured every day. In addition, farmers regularly check the health of the piglets, detect early signs of abnormalities for timely treatment, and avoid the spread of disease. Through many years of experience combined with advanced techniques, the piglet breeding process of farmers is increasingly scientific and effective, contributing to meeting the demand for clean meat for the market and increasing family income every day. Activities on the pig farm take place very regularly and scientifically. In the morning, farmers start by checking the entire barn, observing the health of the pigs, cleaning up the feces and washing the barn floor to keep it clean. Then, they feed the pigs according to the prescribed ration. ensuring adequate nutrition for each type of pig, sows, piglets and pigs. Drinking water is also changed, always ensuring cleanliness. During the day, farmers continue to monitor the pig's performance, vaccinate or supplement medicine and vitamins when necessary. In the afternoon, the barn cleaning work is repeated, at the same time preparing food for the pig's dinner. In addition, farmers also regularly record books to manage the quantity, health and development of each herd of pigs. By regularly performing these tasks, the farm always maintains a clean environment. The pigs grow well, and bring stable economic efficiency. In addition to the main tasks, during the day, farmers also perform a number of other important activities to ensure the farm operates effectively. They often check the ventilation system, lighting and barn temperature, especially on days when the weather changes, to keep the pigs' living environment cool and stable. In addition, farmers periodically disinfect the entire farm area with disinfectants to prevent disease. On days when mating or vaccination is needed, they will spend time working with veterinarians to ensure that the pigs are properly cared for. At the end of the day, before resting, farmers often go around the barn again to check that all equipment is operating properly. The pigs have eaten well and are healthy, thanks to the meticulousness and carefulness in every daily activity. The pig farm always maintains stability, safety and high productivity. In addition to taking care of the pigs, farmers on the farm also pay attention to managing the reserve feed source. They often check the bran, corn, rice and other ingredients to ensure that they are not moldy or spoiled, and are enough to supply the pigs for a long time. If a shortage is detected, they will proactively contact reputable suppliers to import more. In addition, the livestock diary is also maintained regularly, from the amount of feed consumed. Health status, number of pigs sold to the expenses incurred. On days when veterinary inspection teams or traders come to buy pigs, farmers prepare documents and arrange the pigs as required. These seemingly repetitive activities are important factors that help the farm operate smoothly, ensuring that the pigs are always healthy, disease-free and bring a stable source of income for the family. The pork processing process in the factory is carried out in strict steps to ensure food safety and product quality. First, after being transported to the factory, the pigs will undergo a health and veterinary hygiene check to ensure they are disease-free. Next, the pigs are taken to the slaughter area, where the steps of stunning, bleeding and cleaning the hair are performed using modern machinery. After cleaning, the pig's body is cut open. The organs are removed and washed with antiseptic water. Next, the pork is cut into parts such as belly, shoulder, ribs, etc. depending on the requirements. The meat parts after being cut will be classified. Vacuum packed and labeled with full information about the origin, production date, and expiration date. Finally, the product is stored at the appropriate temperature and transported to supermarkets and stores. The entire process strictly adheres to food hygiene and safety standards, ensuring consumers receive clean, fresh and safe meat products. After packaging, the pork packages will be transferred to the factory's cold storage for storage at temperatures from 0 to 4 degrees Celsius, keeping the meat fresh and ensuring quality throughout the storage process. Before shipping, the factory continues to randomly test samples to re-evaluate the safety and hygiene of the product. Some shipments may be transferred to the deep processing area, where pork is used to produce products such as sausages, ham, cold cuts, etc. in a closed process. Using modern technology, stages such as grinding, mixing spices, steaming and packaging are all closely monitored. Finally, all products will be transported by specialized refrigerated trucks to agents. supermarkets or exported to international markets. Thanks to the professional, closed and hygienic processing process, pork products from the factory always meet food safety standards and diverse consumer needs. In addition to the production process, the factory also focuses on quality control and environmental protection. The quality control system, QC, operates continuously at each stage. From input materials to final products, to promptly detect substandard products. The factory also regularly takes pork samples for microbiological testing, antibiotic residues and other food safety indicators at a qualified laboratory. In addition, all wastewater and solid waste generated during the processing process are treated through a modern waste treatment system before being discharged into the environment. Ensuring no pollution, workers working in the factory must comply with strict regulations on personal hygiene such as wearing protective clothing. Gloves, masks and disinfection before entering the production area. Thanks to that, the pork processing process not only creates safe, quality products but also contributes to protecting the environment and public health in addition to ensuring hygiene, safety and environmental protection. The factory also applies a quality management system according to international standards such as ISO 22000, HACCP or GMP to enhance product reputation in the market. In addition, automation technology is also used to reduce manual labor, increase productivity and accuracy in each stage. The team of technicians and workers are regularly trained and educated in new processing techniques as well as food safety regulations. Not only focusing on production, the factory also focuses on building long-term relationships with partners, from pig farms to distribution systems, creating a sustainable supply chain, thanks to a closed, professional and modern processing process. The factory contributes to providing the market with clean, safe and internationally standardized pork products, meeting the increasing demands of consumers. In addition, to meet modern consumption trends, many factories also invest in developing processed pork product lines such as marinated pork, meatballs, skewered meat or smoked pork. After processing, these products will be conveniently packaged, refrigerated or frozen, helping consumers save processing time while still ensuring quality and delicious taste. In addition, the factory also focuses on building brands, making product origins transparent through QR codes on packaging, helping consumers easily trace information from farming to processing, thanks to the methodical process, application of advanced technology and strict management. The pork processing industry not only meets domestic demand but also reaches out to the international market, contributing to increasing the value of Vietnamese agricultural products. Not stopping there. Many pork processing factories also focus on research and development, R&D, to diversify products, meet the tastes and nutritional needs of many customers. The team of nutritionists and food engineers regularly tests and improves formulas, combines natural ingredients, reduces salt and fat to create products that are both delicious and good for health. At the same time, the factory also actively participates in domestic and foreign food fairs and exhibitions to promote products, seek export opportunities and expand markets. With modern processing procedures, focusing on quality, safety and innovation, today's pork processing plants not only meet consumer demand but also contribute to the sustainable development of the Vietnamese food industry. Pig farming and processing is a closed process, playing an important role in the agricultural and food supply sectors. During the farming process, farmers focus on selecting healthy pig breeds, caring for them with a reasonable nutritional regimen. ensuring a clean and airy barn environment and implementing full disease prevention and vaccination measures. When the pigs reach standard weight, they are transported to the processing plant. Here, the pigs undergo a modern slaughtering, cleaning, butchering and processing process, ensuring food hygiene and safety. Pork is then classified, packaged and carefully preserved before being distributed to the market. The entire process from farming to processing adheres to strict standards, aiming to provide consumers with clean, fresh and safe pork products. In addition, many farms and factories now apply advanced technology to pig farming and processing to improve efficiency and product quality. In farming, automatic feeding, watering and temperature control systems are commonly used to reduce labor and help pigs grow evenly. At the same time, the traceability process from breeding, farming to processing is also strictly and transparently implemented. In the processing stage, factories apply modern production lines. Vacuum packaging technology and cold storage to keep the product fresh for a long time. Some factories also deeply process products such as sausages, cold cuts, and ham to meet the diverse needs of the market, thanks to the combination of science and technology with strict management processes. The pig farming and processing industry not only ensures food safety but also contributes to economic development and increases the value of Vietnamese agricultural products. In addition, to meet the increasing demands of domestic and international markets, many pig farming and processing facilities also apply international standards such as Viet Gap, Global Gap, ISO or HACCP. The application of these standards helps to strictly control the production process from input to output, ensuring that the products are not only clean and safe but also environmentally friendly. In addition,